Go.
Hey guys, it's Bobby from the Midgardverse TV. We're here down at the Owego Creek Trail. We've done it once before, but we didn't have quite as good of lights then as we do now. So hopefully we catch or see stuff that I wasn't able to catch or see before. And you may be wondering why we didn't do a video last Saturday. It's because on Friday my mother went to the hospital for sepsis. And then they found out over the weekend that she has uterine cancer, stage 1. So hopefully they're able to take care of it. They're confident that they can, but let's do this video for her. Right, here we go. I've crossed the road and I'm now going down the trail. And we were right, it is called Owego Creek Nature Trail. This is the northern trail. There's a dog already. Sit here and wait for him. You guys will probably hear a lot of cars right now, which you shouldn't be hearing that many because it isn't a main road, but I guess they decide tonight's the night to...
What's that?
What?
It's
a bag. Make sure you guys check out my sister's video because the whole time my dad's talking about having to go to the bathroom. Does it carry my light? It's hard to do both.
Remember this path? Oh wait, no, I didn't videotape this path. On mine.
What do you mean?
This is the first time videotaping this.
Did I?
Well, no, you did it in the morning. Oh yeah, in the morning. Alright, this is the morning. Remember the morning one? This is
maybe I did. Yeah, night hike. That was my video, the night hike one. When you couldn't see anything. Maybe now this time you can actually see some stuff. It could be breathing.
off that.
Now my sister brings up a good point. If you see any steam or what, it could be our breaths. But if you see it where we're not standing, that's not our breath.
Bobby, it's going off.
It's really haunted down in here tonight.
I don't know.
Well, I don't think it's just tonight. My obelisk looks like it said quite a few things too.
Did
What did
it?
you do? Turn the volume down?
No. It said 100, agent 100. What's that mean?
100 twice?
Yeah, 100 twice.
Oh.
That's 200.
Really?
Sabrina,
What I like is that you can see so far up there. Yeah.
I brought that light so if you ever go back to Evergreen and people are up there messing around with us, they won't be able to get away.
What's that loud noise?
Ah, is there a vehicle stop over there?
Was it loud humming?
Yeah, I thought a truck was parked over there. Sounded like a truck parked over there. Could have maybe been going down that road and it vibrated, or not vibrated, but echoed. No, Evelyn, we're not finished yet. We just started. No idea why there are so many vehicles going up and down this road. What, Little Lish?
I was just asking if there's anything here.
Oh, okay.
Couldn't hear if they did. I wonder if that tree's still down.
Was there ever a trail there before?
Yeah. You could see it in our daytime video.
When you were haunted.
Yeah.
It went away when I turned it towards the ridge jump.
Maybe just our cell phones that are on.
See, I always gotta put mine in airplane mode, but no one calls me anyway.
The cars are super loud. I know, nothing that keeps getting scared.
There was not this many cars in the summertime when we came this way.
Why is it so many now?
I don't
Maybe
know.
it's just louder because there's like...
Maybe they know we're ghost hunters and they're driving by her soon. You know?
I don't know. Oh, is she single? She's not, she's married.
No, I said singing.
No one's singing.
Yes, she is.
A light in back.
We know who it is. Move my head, move my head.
Flashlight or something over there. You guys see that flash of light way over there?
What
What is it?
What's wrong? In case someone does call me like that.
It's not gonna do anything.
It won't show.
Let me see who called and I can tell them not to.
What is that light?
Well, take the K2 meter.
Actually, I seen that light.
Yeah,
Remember?
there's a light over there. It's like a flashlight or something.
Can't.
We're still recording. Let's use our brains.
I hold that because I put my clothes back on. We saw something in the air as we were coming out to go past your guys' house.
No, it wasn't in the air. It's just like right above where this bush
I
was,
see
way
it.
over there, but I can't see it anymore.
Is it that?
Oh yeah, what is it? Yeah, it's right there. There's two of them right there. Maybe they got a light over there at that factory over there.
Hopefully.
I can't get this phone to turn on.
Yes, you did.
Should have put it in airplane mode.
Oh, you said put on airplane mode?
No, his should have been in airplane mode. You? It's on you?
Dad.
Yes, we're down here doing some ghost hunting, but I'll get a hold of you when we're done. Fine.
Oh, there's an airplane or whatever that is. Helicopter.
What's it doing?
See it?
Yes.
The helicopter.
It's over
The
there.
helicopter up there. I wonder if they're wondering what we were doing too.
I could catch a flash. I just caught a flash, but that was a helicopter by people. All 6 of you that have checked out my video.
I know, like all 23 people that view me that probably don't even.
3 or 4 of them are here already, so the 2 people that aren't with me, that was a helicopter. I'd say 7, but one of them's my account, so.
I told Dad to make one. He probably watch it every day.
I just thought you were waving to someone.
No, my gloves are big.
What?
It's not on that big carton.
Did you turn it off and back on?
No.
Oh, it went down a little bit.
Oh, now it's stopping. No, no. As you can see, I can see way better than last time I've been here.
See, it is going up. I couldn't see it with my light on.
Somebody's following us.
My cell phone.
Because it's,
Probably from your house.
I think so. Probably haunted.
You probably wanted to come with us.
I told you somebody was out.
I figured if we were going to do any actual ghost hunting stuff, we can do it down near the bridge. Not that the trail is a creek itself, but near the bridge is where my dad knows where people supposedly died.
Careful, touch free.
So did you ever mention your people if we're ever going to do any more when it gets cold?
Any more what?
Like ghost hunt?
Oh, we've mentioned to them right now that once middle winter in January comes around, I don't know if I'm going to continue.
Yeah. Is that the tree then?
That's a different tree.
I think we're just going to that one.
Well, we can.
Well, it's not a trap, I hope. Was there a big storm lately?
There was a windstorm the other day.
Oh my god, so strong. Oh, look at that tree, Papa.
We can go right around over here.
I feel like it always tries to stop us from coming down here.
Isn't that weird? Though? After the first time, there's always been a tree or something in the road
Yeah.
or hanging.
That was a Lisa, that just scared me. I heard like
Stop.
a humming, but it was her talking.
What? You hear that?
I heard not that sound. That's the sound of the tree, but out towards the woods, I heard something rustle. Well, come through here, Les. You're gonna have to walk right through here.
Isn't it too cold for animals to be out?
I don't know.
That thing's still here?
No,
No,
this
it's
is
a
a
new
different tree.
Oh, deers are probably out, but other animals are probably not.
I don't think deer make rustling sounds so much. They're usually smarter. They don't want to get caught.
Yeah, this tree's down.
People who can't bend down, go this way.
I'll go that way.
Right through here.
Am I gonna test
I should be able to
This
bend
is,
down.
this is the last it's done.
I'm short.
Finished?
Yeah.
Huh.
You know, sadly
That means the
enough,
Elvis is finished.
I don't think I even have to bend.
Do you have your K2 meter?
Mason's got it.
Yeah, I just barely have to bend.
Well, you were supposed to go this way.
You guys see this? That's really pathetic.
You were supposed to go this way.
Ow,
You were supposed to go this way.
ow. That is really pathetic.
What's the
that I
rest
did
of
not even have to bend.
All the way up.
That is how short I am. For everyone
Boy, my
watching this
fingers are sure
video,
feeling it.
let me know.
Now that we got better lights and stuff, it doesn't seem that scary.
It's
Actually,
him.
I might keep continuing because 8th I got a face mask coming.
I'm gonna buy a bodysuit. Like one of those comfy bodysuits.
That's a weird light.
Where?
What the
The
hell?
moon.
That's the moon on Earth.
No, that is the moon.
On Earth?
Yeah, it's up.
No, it ain't.
the road.
That's not the moon. The moon would be up there in the sky.
I think about that.
Yeah, the light's straight across over there. That is not the moon. That is still Earth. Might be a house light on over there.
Nathan, what
I can get it.
No.
Yeah, I can't get it on my camera.
Well, I know that up is the moon.
Oh, that right there is not the moon.
I guess it's obvious that it was finished.
See? There's a house light
Yeah,
right
I
there.
see
That's
that.
literally parallel with the house light.
Oh, like the orange and pink one?
Yeah, I think it's what used to be the, I think that's what used to be the hotel, the bed and breakfast. Who's growling?
I thought I heard growling by the car.
Oh. Nathan's a little scared.
I think not too bad right now.
I'm cold.
Me too. My nose is the only thing.
Yeah, see, what is that light over there? That's the park, isn't
That's
it?
how you talk.
Methodist?
Meth head?
Oh, method?
Yep.
Maybe someone else has a meth head down here. Because obviously meth head isn't on the obelisk.
I
It's
know,
not
that's
a,
what I'm saying. Maybe the ghost thinks we're 200 people.
Maybe.
Because of how big I am.
Well,
Yeah, I thought I heard something over here too, but Heather could be right. It could be an animal.
because we saw some deer down here last time.
Or maybe it's animal. Chris
That's
Hartman.
not even funny.
Chris Hartman.
The last time he was
There's
in,
no.
he actually went to jail, I think.
Oh, we saw him in Owego like 2 months ago. Oh, cool. Well,
The tree fell down.
where? Where?
Sit in.
Oh, I thought you said a tree just fell down.
I should just move it.
No.
Nathan, we tried moving it last time. Sabrina, I was struggling and all of you
I told Sabrina, you know those lights up in the cemetery that we thought was maybe people or we didn't know what it was?
Yeah.
I don't think they'll be there now because it's cold.
Well, if they're there now, it probably ain't people.
Why you put it down?
The next time we're gonna come down, it's gonna be like 3 or 4 trees down.
Why are you scared?
My dad's scared.
That's stuck.
Watch that.
What's stuck?
It was just stuck.
My
Never
obelisk?
mind, once I started stuck, it went down.
It's stuck on Nathan.
My fingers are
Yeah.
stuck.
Try to go back and see if it goes off.
Yeah, I think it needs new batteries.
The obelisk?
No, the pacemaker.
Well, that's what I meant to say. I keep calling it an obelisk.
Turn it back on. We did like 3 times.
Take the battery out and touch with your tongue.
Nathan's trying to walk as quietly as possible.
I'm freezing. That's why I stick to it.
Love it. You guys should all walk like this.
It's like I said a video, two, 3 videos ago, it's hard to pay attention to spirits when you're freezing your balls off.
My balls are freezing. It's just my fingers. Yeah, my fingers and my nose. Not wearing gloves.
Yeah, why?
You said something about B-A-L-L.
My balls? These aren't kid friendly.
Tell me Bobby's balls are freezing.
These are Bobby friendly.
Bobby, a.k.a. the Nate Gardner's TV. Don't mention balls on his channel.
You're just ball comments all over your channel.
Bobby would be like getting all these balls comments. He's like, what the heck? Why are you sneaking up here with him? He's trying to be quiet. That's probably cool.
Someone help Elise over that.
And me.
Here,
Thank you,
we got
Susan.
this.
If you could sit on it.
What?
Dog.
Dog.
Yeah.
It's a dog.
Yeah, we actually heard a dog as we were starting to come down the trail. Remember I mentioned, I'm like, I hear that dog already?
You don't have to do that. Just grab this and I'll do
Well,
what
you
I
were
did
back
last
there with
time.
Dad.
I
And
didn't hear that.
Hold on to it.
Pretty nice.
a red light just blinked down that way. Did someone just pull in where we're parked?
I think I locked my door, I hope.
See it?
Here you go.
Yeah.
Sorry about having to watch my
No,
We
they
shouldn't
go
be
to
able to see the
Parker,
parking lot by
Don't
this far, should we?
right now.
That was Grandpa.
We shouldn't be able to see the parking
was
area
my
this
You
far.
shouldn't be able to see
yeah.
the parking area from here.
So what's the red blinking light that I just saw?
I have no clue.
I can't see anything because Alicia's light is
Oh, I'm
Can't see
right
the
in my
parking-
face.
You can't see the place from here.
There's a flashlight down there. Make sure a cop or someone stupid's not following us.
There's no reason for him to.
I don't
If there's
see it.
anyone following us, we're just making videos.
It could be like the tail lights way further down the road on Glen Mary. I don't know. See it? You guys just see it?
Yeah, maybe.
No, I just see dots now. Maybe it's because Alicia's light was in my eye.
I'm gonna put my camera down here and see if we can see it. Listen, move the light away. Let's see if we can see it in the dark.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
I see
cars.
it.
It's probably just cars going by.
Okay, that's just cars going
And
by.
Dad just farted.
I didn't.
Bob just farted. I'm gonna make that known.
Yeah, the explosion was not a bomb. Well, it was a type of bomb, but methane bomb.
Good thing no one's smoking. That thing would have been like, not like the lighter if they're lighting it.
Yeah. I hope that was cars just going by.
The cops will come down and be like, what's going on? Oh, I just farted.
No, this is a completely illegal area.
Right. No reason to come down here.
Yeah, but you know they like being nosy.
Oh, I just farted. Maybe it was gas. It was a lighter and then I farted.
Might throw extra gas each night.
Maybe it was a lighter.
What?
Let's make sure Lisa's still behind us.
Oh, that was her chicken.
Surprisingly, I don't hear nothing.
Oh, did she show you the pictures that I took of the trail that's still there?
What trail?
No, I posted on Facebook.
Did you see them? The ones that go down to the other trail?
What trail?
The like path to go to the other trail on the other side?
Over there?
Yeah.
From this side?
Yes. I took pictures of it.
Why, what's it look like?
Rocks.
Yeah, good with stretch.
Yeah, the water's flooded out a lot of that trail. That's not the way Nathan and I have been going. Where?
Good for said there's a scratch on my face.
Where?
I don't know, Grandpa said there was one.
Was.
A what?
I don't see nothing.
He hit a tree.
That tree like that.
You want to hold this for a minute?
No, I don't.
I gotta get my hands warm.
You have gloves on.
It's going right through them.
How do you think I feel?
I don't know. Now that I got my nice heat dissipation from my light.
Is there like jackets that have heat on?
Yeah, mine. The tips of my fingers are the only thing cold, really.
Same.
What?
No, I don't have any. I just bought her one.
Tools.
You can customize them for $10.
Our tools, maybe?
How much you want to do that?
What's this?
A drop off.
Oh, not the drop off. There's like a fort or something. Is that a tree stump or is that a fort?
Did I show you mine?
Oh, oh, it looks like a fort.
I think,
What's
I think it's a tree stump.
What about the
what's your camcorder called?
This is a camcorder.
What does she have?
Nikon
Because,
B500 Coolpix.
I looked on
Hold this
Best
for a minute.
Buys and there was, you could buy 2 or something, you could tripod free. I think it shows an N, I'm not sure.
Nikon Coolpix B500. I have the name on my Bobby Keener channel, so make sure you check that out.
Why is it going haywire?
The batteries could be dead, or this whole area could be haunted. Let's hope the batteries are dead.
So when are they blinking?
I don't know. It's staying in one area, though. It's acting dumb.
So we basically made a shout out to this guy.
one.
Imagine them on Black Friday.
I did.
Oh, you went there?
Yeah, there's a lot of people there, and there was garbage for sales.
Literal garbage?
Yeah. Nothing I wanted to buy, and nothing that was. Only thing I wanted to buy was a computer, and all they did was take $50 off. That was their deal, $50 off.
Try going there Cyber Monday.
Cyber Monday, you order.
I think it'd be cheaper to fix this screen or buy a new one. The one that broke.
What, bro?
Buy a new one.
My old screen one.
Just buy a
Old
new
computer,
one.
I mean. The screen is
What's wrong with the new one?
nothing. I meant the old one. So to fix it and
said
get the
what
purple.
She said would it be cheaper to fix the screen or just
I would just buy a new one. It's about 100, 150 for just time and labor. That's about the price you pay for a screen.
Sorry, everyone.
$300 just for a screen. You might as well get a new computer.
Really, that's a cool.
I built a gingerbread house, guys.
That's cool, Sabrina.
I know, right?
But it does smell.
Mother, didn't I build the gingerbread house?
You heard that, right?
What?
You jumped. You heard it.
Didn't
Yeah.
I just tell you I saw something?
You
No,
pick
there's
that
something
up.
over here.
Nathan, pick that up.
Sabrina jumped back.
Yeah, well, it doesn't take a lot to make her jump though.
I heard it though,
Oh.
too.
Oh.
What's wrong?
Oh.
It's going off.
Is the paper coat still on?
Yeah, I think so.
Is there turkeys down around here? Could there
Aw.
be turkeys?
Won't we hear them?
Could be. But they would be
It
gobble
was
gobble
going
one.
haywire.
The only thing could be down here would be like foxes, bears.
Oh, awesome. Things that will eat us.
Does that look like a shelter to you?
Where?
See where it right there?
Yeah.
I think that's whatever it was right out of there.
That's a bear.
Is that funny?
I heard something come from that one.
Where?
That
I thought I heard it from here.
It could be a bear because there's black bears in here.
I'll feed them.
Well, you're gonna have to fight it off
Well, you're
because
not
it'll
gonna be
black
very good.
anyways.
I think I've got hypothermia or something because I'm starting to feel warm.
How big is that?
Yeah, that
Yeah.
hair won't come.
You
I'm
see it?
definitely getting
It's
frostbite.
like a
Could be a deer, but I don't know. They don't generally lay down, do they?
it sounded like a bird flew away or something. Why would a it doesn't make sense to me.
A bird here? Not here?
I don't think not birds that would be down on the ground like that.
Only this spot that I get when it's so cold.
Yeah, that was definitely big enough for a dragon.
It's only this area.
I assure you, you do not want to run into a Midgard dragon.
Apparently they informed us.
It would not be cool.
Where's yours?
Yeah. I just got cold for some reason.
Oh, I got really warm back there, right near in front of that shelter.
My
now I'm
toes are
freezing.
starting to feel it.
Yeah, like my legs just got whippy cold.
It was my fingers.
I have
thinking
two
of
pairs of
frostbite.
socks on though.
Oh, I know why.
Well, if there is anything, we're not gonna be able to hear it because you guys don't shut up.
We're getting closer to the water.
Yeah. Well, we've been next to the water
We've
the
been
entire
next to the
time.
water the whole time.
All right.
It's like it's ice here.
Yo, why is my toes starting to freeze?
I don't
Like
know.
I have two pairs of socks on, and this is
That area was warm, but once we got right out of it, it started to get a little bit more colder.
I got a big yes in my face.
I can,
What's
I
right? I
can,
don't have.
oh yeah, I do.
Yeah, there's trails to that whole thing. Something could easily hang out over there.
When you get to Blackbridge, no one talks because you have to go. Didn't I say no one talks?
Hey, you said we get the Blackbridge though. And whoever that asshole was behind me better shut his mouth.
That just scared the hell out of
Was
me.
that you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I thought I just heard like a big ass wind or something.
I thought it was like a coffee pot going. Yeah, you know when it gets hot. What? I did not do nothing.
No wonder the ghosts don't want to come out.
Bobby just keeps running into sticks.
No, it just sounded like you just said. I'm just keep running into dicks.
I run into cannons.
Yeah.
Gas?
Gas. That's what I've been having.
Yeah.
It's those, for me, it's those Impossible Whoppers. They're delicious, but Impossible Whoppers.
Oh god! I hope I just got that.
I wonder if we heard it from someplace else now.
Huh?
I wonder if someone else said it.
Yeah, what if we heard
Yeah.
a fart from up there?
And if we're just sitting here and some random fart just comes up.
There's something standing up there. What is it?
What?
Not that. There's something else standing there. A deer?
Probably. Probably someone that wants to stop farting.
Hope it's a deer.
You probably scared the deer away.
Seems like a long walk.
Well, my dad's done it more than I have.
What'd Grandpa eat?
Yeah, what'd you eat, Dad?
Burger King. It's starting to catch up to us now.
He also had pizza.
Yeah. My pants are falling down. My farts are blowing my pants down.
I think I got a frostbite.
Well, I thought I did.
Does anyone know what
Hold
time
on.
it is? Is it 4? Do you know what time it is?
No.
I'm gonna check.
You want to carry this for a while?
No.
What's on my
No, you carry him, Dad. You're doing good.
Can't my hand's frozen.
Okay, I
He's got a flashlight.
What time is it, Heather?
Nathan, carry one thing so he can at least put his hands in his pockets.
Subway closed.
Subway closes at 9, I think, or 10.
Great.
Hey, Chris said
You'll
10.
be done in time.
Don't go too far because you'll fall in the water.
I got a flashlight this time. See, that's the way Nathan and I normally go.
But it,
For only like $59.
if there's a trail down here that you go up, it takes you to a path that goes to the side.
Well, let's go down here and do our stuff. Where? Right down to there?
Hmm?
Down to there?
No, right, you go up here and there's like a path, like right up there.
Hey,
Come down here and use the K2 meter and stuff.
It actually looks really pretty down there. I took pictures down there.
do you hear that?
Yeah.
Blinking, Bobby, now.
What's blinking? I'm gonna use this as a, that's my picture. Yeah.
I could get down there
Ethan.
and back.
Grab what you said.
To the light.
Anyone want to hold this?
What is it? It's not going off.
Dude, jump down there and then come back up.
I did. Once.
Do it again.
Why don't you do it?
I'm not an idiot.
That's him. He's one.
Mother, didn't I jump down there before and get back up?
Yeah, but you're not doing it now. It's dark.
And that water's super
No,
cold.
I didn't say jump in the water. I said jump down there.
What? Where?
Sorry, that wasn't whispering to your left.
We heard like a water sound a few seconds ago.
Okay, come here.
Somebody's coming.
Where?
I got walking through the bushes. Where Alicia is.
Well, Alicia's doing her own time, so.
It's up there. Up in there. Come, stepping on the grass. Weeds.
There's a sewage
There's
pipe
just
underneath
rocks over
us.
there.
Yeah, it's just rocks.
Maybe someone's in there.
Where?
That sewage pipe right here.
I think something's coming.
I don't think it
Oh
would
yeah,
be.
there is a sewage part right there.
We'll stay up there with it, Dad. No one's gonna ask. Any questions?
You don't ask. First it said, is anyone here?
Who did?
I meant on the thing, I looked to see what to say.
I could still see cars from over there.
Is there anyone here?
I
Yeah.
can't tell because this thing is.
Yeah, it's just staying on.
I think it needs new batteries.
Probably.
looks like really big.
Yes,
I'm
thank
gonna
you.
ask questions, see if I can catch it on my. Whoa!
Please don't fall. Oh my god.
See if I can catch
You knocked
anything
me
on
down.
my.
Dad's gonna have to run you in and save you.
Yeah, I'm not joking.
He fell and knocked me down there.
Is anyone here?
What if they come back to life?
I asked and it stopped going up.
What's that 100 then on your gun?
I don't know. I think it's just another way of saying Legion.
You can watch Bomb.
I wanna
Worried about his camera falling in.
go up here. Ow!
See? It's like right over here.
What?
This is where your grandfather just heard a noise.
What?
It's like right there. Yeah, it's like right there.
There's a flash my light down that way. If there's any spirits along this bridge, talking to my camcorder here. I'm not really feeling anything.
The only thing I'm feeling is frostbite.
Summertime when we thought we might have heard stuff. Could have been a homeless person down here. It's apparently where they sleep. Is that light over there?
Where?
Right over there.
That's the bridge.
Right there?
Oh. I don't see anything.
Come over here. You can see it right from here. It's an orange light.
Oh, it was like
See it?
Oh. That might be a house.
Maybe.
Because you could see Glen Murray Drive from here.
Did you guys say something? Did you guys say something? No. Yeah, you did.
No, we didn't.
Did the owlet say something?
Shepherd.
Okay, maybe that's what it was. That sounded like the owlet, didn't it? What the fuck was that?
That.
I can't see.
Yeah, well, we shouldn't be able to see cars from this far away.
No, you can see the bridge from over here.
Yeah, that's why summertime's better for right here.
Because the trees are full.
Yeah, and you can't see.
What if we accidentally go the wrong way? I just realized there's...
We didn't.
There was something
No, I
laying
mean
down
going
there,
back.
Like this, yeah.
Oh yeah, all the leaves are over. Something was staying here.
Yeah, something was laying there.
That's where we came, Elise.
No, that one.
That's where we came.
Well, that one leads to that.
It leads to the trail back. There's another trail over there. Why, you want to go through this way?
Go this way?
We can. There's another trail. You heard me ask Sabrina about it.
I'm not going that way. I'm going this way.
Oh, have fun.
I'll go with you.
The trail leads that way.
Oh. We'll go this way.
Uh-uh.
Why?
I'm going whoever has light.
I have a light, don't we, Nathan?
He wants to go that way.
Your dad, Alicia, and Nathan will go that way.
Does it have a clear path?
No, I don't think this path is very good.
Oh, then we won't go this way.
Well, is that a path right there? Yeah, the problem is they might hear us and think that we're something else, so we should probably still go together.
Yeah. And if that was a bear.
Yeah, if it was a bear, I don't want to go in the way it went to get away from us. This thing's needs new batteries. It shouldn't be on the entire time.
I thought we told him to change it last time.
We did.
You've been here like what, 4 times now?
Here? This is the second time I've been here.
How did I not notice that other crap?
It was in the summertime that it was covered over.
Oh.
Look,
Bobby, this is the 3rd time I've been here.
no, second time.
No, because you came in here with me, Alicia, and Nathan. Yeah, remember?
No, that's the first time I came here.
No, the first time we went down a track.
Oh, yeah.
Legion provide.
That's okay.
7. You never said 7 before.
No.
Is there 7 of us?
Yeah, it's got the letter
It
7.
works better when I have it open.
It's got the letter 7.
There could be 7 of us.
There's only 6 of us.
Well, I mean.
Or is there a
could be
7th
7.
one with us?
That's what I was thinking. The
Is there
7th.
somebody with us?
Is this still on? Nathan, point
Do you
to
want to hurt us or are you trying to protect us?
You know, I told you what number you are.
Or out to hurt us, please make sure it's not some
It was, I don't hear all them dogs we usually hear are out.
I still don't know where that the sound came from. There was trees, so the echo shouldn't have went that far.
Yeah. Well, I know the time that we came in the daytime, they let the one down here let their dog out.
Well, when we heard it, it wasn't coming from
It was
this way. It
that
was
way.
coming from that way.
Yeah.
We need to do Evergreen one more time before the season ends.
Yeah, we got the camera. We're videoing. So if you have anything to say, show yourself.
I was hoping when cold came around, we had abandoned places to go into.
Damn it.
What?
I didn't realize that wasn't recording.
For how long?
I don't know.
So I told you should have stuck with your phone. Having a camera's
I
cool,
wasn't
but
recording the whole time we were at Blackbird. Daddy, Alicia's camera's off. I don't think she got Blackbird.
take her back.
Go turn her back.
Why?
Her camera shut off and she didn't notice it.
How come it shut off?
It only stays for 30 minutes at a time. So I
Well,
don't
it's
like. That's why I got.
45,
That's why I got a camcorder. So it could have been out for 15 minutes. That's why I was shutting it off and turning it back on my own to make sure it didn't get to that point.
Anything here that wants to say hi to Nathan? Hi. What if it said hi back?
I'd book it.
On that website,
You notice this color right here?
on that website, there's this thing I wanted to get. It's an EMS thing, and you can hear or see what they're saying.
I'm gonna buy a ghost hunting kit off eBay.
Oh, yeah?
It comes with a spirit box.
Well, it was a... Did you hear that? Yeah.
What?
It sounded like a dog.
Maybe that's
It
why I
was
heard when we
like a
first came down here. Where?
Oh, that way.
So basically the same sound we hear at Evergreen.
Every day, yeah. Every time we go.
Hopefully I caught it on camera because I didn't hear it myself while I was talking. So
You heard it, right, Ben? So is there a ghost dog calling us?
could have an attachment.
Maybe.
Could also be why this has been on the entire time.
Maybe.
I wonder if Tinkerbell's still alive.
Well, fairies aren't usually.
No,
Die.
we named the dog
We had a dog named Tinkerbell.
Oh, we didn't. We did.
I wonder if she's still alive.
No, apparently they have a dog named Tinkerbell, and they wondered if it was still alive. I told them fairies don't tend to die of old age.
Somebody grabbed my leg. Ron did.
No, it was probably this. That's what I tripped on.
Ron grabbed it.
Well, maybe Ron put it out there in front of us.
Ron.
Ron,
That's
don't
not
do that.
nice of you.
I still hope I got
The ghost hunting kit I'm getting has a millimeter too, which is a K2 meter. It also
Did you take the photos through one?
detects temperature fluctuations.
Cool.
It's $100 and some dollars if you want to.
I told you I wanted to get.
What?
There's
The spirit box?
no, the EMF reader that says what they're saying
Oh,
while
yeah.
I'm doing it.
The obelisk?
No, it's an EMF reader. It's on. Whatever, I'll just say
It's a parallel puck. Paranormal puck.
Ghostbox.com has it.
Oh. You're talking about Ghost Adventures, so
No,
that's a paranormal puck.
Ghosthunter.com?
I heard something shut, like a door.
Hope no one's in the van.
I'll go look at what it is.
At least there's purses in there.
No, 79 is Steve.
Yeah.
It's locked.
You know 79 is Steve.
Yep.
It was a good idea to wear 2 pants.
It was me burping. Boy, there's a lot of burping and farting and
You should just name this video
Burping.
Nathan's nose is so
The burp
red.
box.
Fart Owego.
Rudolph.
Hey everybody, the burp box.
It protects ghosts through burping sounds.
Owego
It talks
burp
to burping.
trail.
Yeah.
Burp trail. But we farted more than burping.
Well, it does that too.
Well, the only thing with Ghostbox is I don't understand because it's like a radio.
Yeah, I don't like them greatly, but it's part of $100 some kit, so.
That was Dad doing something, in case you hear that.
Jesus Christ.
Ew, is that Dad?
Yeah, that's his burp.
So we couldn't even smell ghosts if we wanted to.
I don't know how you smell ghosts.
Well, sometimes.
It's usually demons, not
Well,
ghosts.
then demons then. Is Dad a demon?
Maybe, it smells like it. Oh, that was him again.
That was my dad again. Remember Burger King for you.
I think we got a front back. Where should go?
And I step in it.
Stop pushing me.
That's mean.
Stop pushing me.
Go, Nathan, no one's pushing you.
Someone was definitely pushing me.
No one was near you.
No one was even touching you.
Yeah, they were.
No. No.
Yeah, they were.
Probably hit a branch, honey.
That's same as us breathing.
Yeah, we were trying to be quiet up there on the bridge and no one really
Someone
felt
take this.
anything.
Take this. So I can climb over.
Time to go to the cemetery.
Sorry if I got your guys.
Whoa.
When did you put your big closet instead of behind Bobby?
I don't think it's cool.
That's probably just my head if you guys see a weird head.
I'm turning the K2 meter off because it's acting like junk. Here, Dad, put this in your pocket. I turned it off. K2 meter.
Nathan, why do you have a flashlight at the ground?
Shouldn't be on the entire
Sabrina,
time.
why don't
It's
you
supposed
have
to be
anything
facing
in your
that way.
hand?
No, it sucks with my keys all in my pocket. My keys?
You're the only one coming back behind them.
No?
Yeah, you are.
Are they still in your pocket? Yeah. At least so. We all know I have no teeth.
Yeah, that would be why you carry your teeth in your pocket.
I don't let her wear her dentures.
She looks so stupid with them because
Okay, let's stop talking about my dentures.
So she's like Roger Rabbit or no, it's Bugs Bunny. Who's Roger Rabbit?
Roger Rabbit?
Oh, he's the one from the cartoon movie.
You know that one guy
Records.
who,
Records.
Hey, you know who that one guy goes, I said, what?
They had a message.
Don't walk over here.
What?
Fell in. That, something there.
They had a message.
Where?
It said something's on sale and it said records.
There's probably a pop-up.
Records are on sale? That's cool.
No, it said something's on sale and it said records.
Oh, it's probably my Best Buy app or one of them.
So why would this say records?
Oh, maybe
Well, it
records
said
are on
we're
sale.
done. We're done.
We're not done yet.
That's what it said. We're done.
Or actually, are we close to the front?
Yeah. I don't know.
How close are we to the car?
Well, the bridge is right there. We can see the bridge.
Because I don't know if I want to have this light on as we go.
Yeah, we're almost home.
Gonna blind people.
Yeah, I want to shut it off yet.
Why?
Just in case they want to be stupid and say stuff after we shut off.
I was just trying the button.
Actually, I think it's right there, then.
You can shut it on now. There's a
What's
tree.
that?
What is that?
What is that?
Oh, it's a tree.
Okay, it looked like a ghost person.
It's like a little midget.
Like Casper.
On it.
Yeah, like a Casper.
I thought it was a cutout for it.
Wouldn't it be something if we came back on there was like
My
something
toes are
hanging
so
there, like a
frozen I
skull or
can't feel
something?
It's not even funny.
I can't even move them.
Don't take her like trees.
That's
Well,
gonna
yeah, I
hurt
don't
after
think
my
we're catching you in
hands
this.
start warming up. It's gonna hurt like a fellow gun. You know what?
Suffering succotash.
Land.
I just said I don't think we were catching this. I thought I heard why.
What do you mean?
Like a little person say why.
What do you mean?
I said I don't think we're going to catch anything on this, and it said why.
Well, that's around the 15-minute mark, so pay attention to it.
And this said land.
What was that?
Don't ask me.
Like a mouse.
What's that noise?
Is that where Serena's running?
Yeah.
What is that?
Is that the tree falling?
Hey, so get away from the tree.
Oh, it's Nathan sitting on it.
No, it's not that making that noise.
No, see? I got off and it's still doing it.
There's no wind.
No, Nathan, sit on him
No.
again.
No, there's something over there. I heard something, a different sound.
Is it an animal?
No, it's
No, that's a tree.
No, there's a different sound.
Have Nathan sit on it.
Well, I heard something like an animal squeaking though.
Yeah, it's a different sound.
That's why I said it's still doing it even when I got off. Because
Bobby!
Well, I was
sorry.
just talking to it. It was making a squeaking sound.
it's just a mystic part animal.
Talking shit to it.
I'm gonna go through this way. I don't want to.
There it is again.
It's a tree. Get away from it.
It could fall right on
But it
you.
didn't make that noise when it came through.
No, not the that what went through.
Then we should get away from it. I hope Mom gets off my faster.
I'm going to die over here.
Why? What's wrong?
Come on, Bobby.
What's wrong?
Hurry up. He's
So
making
I
the
think this
noise.
video is not a ghost hunt. It's more like a fart your pants hunt.
Fart hunt.
No, she's still doing it.
Yeah, it just came from over this way.
Something's following.
When did that get down?
Yeah,
It's
something's
been down.
falling. This is right.
Are you
Okay, let's
following
go.
us?
I mean, that's the Y sound you heard though.
Maybe.
With the tree or whatever it is. Didn't sound like a Y sound though.
Yeah, I just got done saying I don't think we're going to get anything on these. And it's like, you didn't say why you did.
No, I didn't.
Must have been.
feel my toe. That was called Tootsie Roll.
The only thing about the damn cold is how that feel on it.
Yeah, cold makes me more pay attention to more how cold I am. I'm trying to listen to. Probably a ghost possessed my ass. It was so cold.
I bet as soon as you farted, it's wet.
I bet they won't go in it again.
Speak out, cow Jesus.
All right, well, we're getting close to the houses up here, so.
Nathan, why'd you turn the light on? No one ever mentioned that I had surgery. That's why I'd be off of this one.
No, that's not why.
No one cared about your surgery.
Yeah, that's what we were hoping for.
Wow. Well, I'll tell my people then. Another reason why I didn't come is because I had surgery in my throat first.
They don't care.
All the people that don't watch my video do care.
All the people that don't watch your videos.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I spun around a little too fast.
And then watch them comment on my video. Watch this, I'm not in my video. We're here.
Your laugh is so dumb.
What, you guys didn't have a light?
Nathan don't act like he's into it today. Hopefully no one's there. Nathan, ask your friends if they know any places that we could.
Why would they know anything?
Because your friends are troublemakers. They know how to go to abandoned
They
places.
really are. Yeah, they are.
What?
Roger breaking the boundaries and stuff.
No, I'm not doing anything like that.
No, it's just I thought they were.
That wouldn't be a good place to go anyway.
I thought they were off how they were troublemakers. Who was that?
Geek?
Geese.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I hear geese.
Isn't it kind of dark?
It's kind of late in the season. You would have thought they would have left months ago.
Oh yeah.
They're staying around here.
You can't say that.
Sorry. Maybe that's what we saw.
Maybe. Maybe a goose. a goose was laying in the thing.
So wouldn't it make a noise?
Well, I thought I heard the sound of something flying away. But apparently that's not what Sabrina heard.
Nathan like cut my leg, that's why I said
By
gay.
accident. I do accidentally use the juke here. You can't say that on me.
I don't think a goose would make like a den anyway. I think it would just lay wherever it can.
Yeah, I don't
No
think I've
clue.
ever seen a goose den. Or a goose den or...
Well, it'd be a goose den if there's one goose load. It'd be a geese den if there's lots of geese.
What do you think it was?
Did you just say what's up?
No, I said it'd be a lot of geese. And then I didn't finish. I'm like,
Oh, okay. I thought you just said what's up.
no, I started to say geese, but I didn't finish, so I finished it. Someone just pulled over there.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, wait, no, that's the end of the road.
That'd be touch me.
Well, maybe if I could walk straight.
Well, I told this one no, but I can't walk right.
Okay.
Sorry, Jesus.
I'm going to end my video right up here.
I'm gonna end my video whenever you guys end your video.
I'm gonna end my video. Oh, wait. Oh!
Right here.
Yeah, right up here where the trail
Oh,
is.
what's that one? What's that one?
That. I am like working hot right now. My face is really hot.
Liz, what's that behind you? Who's walking behind you?
That's not funny.
It'd be funny if there's actually something there, though.
No, there's something there! Oh, you should have kept up with it.
Here, hold this for me, Nick.
Oh, God.
Stand up there. I'll do it this way.
Here, Sabrina. Yeah, ready? Go.
Alright, fellers. We're going to end my video right here. Let me know if you heard or seen anything other than the asshole talking crap behind my ass or behind my back. But like, share, comment, you know the jazz.